If I had the power to change one thing in this world, it would be to eradicate poverty. Imagine a world where every child goes to bed with a full stomach, where families don't have to worry about putting food on the table or having a roof over their heads. The impact of poverty is far-reaching, affecting education, health, and opportunities for millions. By addressing poverty, we can create a more equitable society where everyone has a chance to thrive. I asked our subscribers and writers the same question, and the responses were truly eye-opening. Many expressed a desire to see an end to environmental destruction, envisioning a world where nature is preserved for future generations. Others spoke passionately about the need for equality and justice, advocating for a world where discrimination and prejudice have no place. The power to change the world lies within each of us. It starts with a single act of kindness, a small gesture that can ripple out and make a difference. As families, investors, instructors, schools, business owners, and entrepreneurs, we have the ability to shape the world we want to live in. Let's harness that power and work together to create a brighter future for all. The time for change is now. Let's not wait for tomorrow to make a difference. Let's take action today, in our own communities and beyond. Together, we can build a world where compassion, empathy, and understanding reign supreme. So, I ask you, what will you change today to make the world a better place for all? Subtitles displayed word by word.